N8N versus Crew AI. Let's start with N8N. N8N is an open source workflow automation tool like Zapier for developers. It lets you visually connect services to automate tasks, and it's great for technical users. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. It is 100% open source and self-hostable. It also has a massive community and node integrations. It's great for traditional automation tasks. It has a visual editor with advanced logic handling, and there are no vendor lock-in. Now for the cons though, it requires a technical knowledge for advanced use. It also has a limited LLM native tools, and the complex workflows can get cluttered. Now let's talk about Crew AI. Crew AI is a newer AI-powered framework that lets you create agent-based workflows using LLMs like GPT. Think of it as automation through intelligent agents rather than manual logic blocks. Let's talk about its pros and cons. It's built for AI native automation with LLM agents. It also has ideal for multi-step decision-making tasks. It also offers supports autonomous agents that can collaborate, and it's great for startups and devs building internal AI tools. Now for the cons though, it is still in early stage, it's not as mature as N8N, it has a smaller community, fewer integrations, and it can be unstable for production use. So choose N8N if you need a reliable visual workflow automation, and choose Crew AI if you're building AI-powered agents or tools and want more autonomy and reasoning.